Let's make some Ezme. This is excellent as a salad, dip, or even just as a topping. You'll need 4 small or 2 large sweet peppers, 2 large tomatoes, or 3 or 4 cups of smaller ones, parsley, olive oil, pomegranate molasses, red wine vinegar, chili paste, and salt and pepper. I'll put all those in the comments. Start by roughly chopping the onions, the peppers, and tomatoes. If you're using the larger ones, there's no need to be precise since the food processor is going to do the chopping for us. Add the onion and the pepper to the food processor and pulse a few times. Don't overdo it. You still want a chunky texture at the end of the recipe. Add the parsley, give it a few pulses until it's incorporated into the mix. And I like to use the small sweet tomatoes, and I add them at the end and only pulse a couple of times. Now transfer the mixture to a large bowl. Add the pomegranate molasses, the olive oil, the red wine vinegar, chili paste, salt, and pepper, and stir it all together until it's combined. Then you'll taste and adjust the seasonings if you need. Now the Ezme is ready to serve. It is great with warm flatbread. It's also great as a topping for grilled meat or even just as a simple, refreshing salad. There are many variations of this recipe, similar to salsa. You can try adding garlic, mint, sumac, lemon, lime, or sample different types of pepper flakes.